Flave City family, what is up? It's Bobby, and I'm back at my happy place. Remember the other day, I told you I was gonna be back because I wanna do another one of those Costco shopping hauls with recipes. It's a lot of fun because they combine these videos, two of my favorite things, shopping at the grocery store, specifically Costco, and then making healthy, homemade, delicious recipes. So here's the plan for today. Part one, let's walk around Costco and buy all the healthy, Bobby-approved ingredients to make low carb, gluten-free, keto diabetic friendly pasta bolognese with crispy prosciutto. It's Friday currently, so I'm gonna pour a big old glass of keto wine with that too. That's the plan of action. It's gonna be great, and I think you're gonna like the recipe too. All right, less talking, more shopping. Let's go around Costco. Whoa, ladies and gentlemen, we have a major backup in the checkout area there, which is okay with me because I'm just starting to shop, and I'm very excited to see this. And correct me if I'm wrong, leave a comment down below. I'm pretty sure all Costco's around the country have this now. I even saw it when I was in Vale Eagle. My favorite Miracle Noodle Shirataki noodles. First of all, the price is great. 6 7-ounce pre-packed bags for $11.89. If you're gluten-free, if you're keto, if you're diabetic, this is your noodle of choice. And what's cool about it is sometimes they'll make Shiratakis out of soybean. I don't like that, even if it's organic. I try to avoid soy because it has a high omega-6 to omega-3 ratio. This is a konjac flour based noodle. And why I love konjac flour is that, see right there, there's 2 grams of fiber per 3-ounce serving. Foods that are high in fiber are called prebiotics. They feed your gut bacteria. So not only does it help get the net carbs down here, it helps feed your gut bacteria. There is a very important tip to cooking Shirataki noodles because they're actually packed in water, and they can be very, very watery and kind of dilute your sauce. But in my first cookbook, Keto Meal Prep, I have a lot of recipes with this. And when we get home, I'll show you how to first cook these in a dry pan to evaporate that moisture and then add your sauce of choice. Otherwise, it gets very, very watery. So we're gonna use this to make our turkey bolognese with crispy prosciutto. And then I just happened to see, out of the corner of my eye, Vietnamese Pho, which is delicious. I had that when I was in Vietnam 14 years ago. It's on sale here right now, but maybe pass up on that, right? I'm pretty sure when I was in Saigon, they did not have a soup base with MSG. So disodium inosinate and disodium guanylate is 2 different words for MSG. I normally only see that in fast food reviews. Also, I don't love the fact that there's artificial flavorings in there, caramel coloring, a known carcinogen, more artificial, and soybean oil. Yikes, that is a no, no, no. That is not Vietnamese pho. Forget about it. How about that? Can I show you something super exciting? If you want to make this exact same recipe, but you don't care about making it low carb, say hello to my little friend. I don't know how many Costco's have this, but Madison's very own, and I'm a Badger alum, Taste Republic now has their fresh gluten-free cauliflower linguine here. It's 2 pounds for $10. No joke, go to any other grocery store, especially the Whole Foods where I see this, it's half the price. It's fresh, sorry guys. It's fresh cauliflower linguine, and the ingredients are epic. Cauliflower powder, water, potato starch, non-GMO egg, and everything else is very, very kosher for a fresh pasta. It's not low carb, right? But this stuff is dynamite. I really, really like it. More importantly, I like that price. So if you want to, grab this and make the exact same recipe. It's gonna be lovely. I'm taking a stroll by the mattress section here because you've heard me talk about my organic birch mattress so many times, and Birch Living, the makers, wanted to sponsor another video. The thing is, you hear me talk about having a non-toxic home a lot. Well, when you start to research the materials in traditional mattresses, it's a little scary, and you're spending a lot of time on your mattress, you're putting your head right there, and when you learn about the materials used, like endocrine disruptors, like toxic materials, like VOCs, volatile organic chemicals, it's not the kind of stuff you want in your mattress when you're putting your head down. That's why I found out many months ago about the Birch Organic mattress. First and foremost, it's super comfortable, but also it's 100% organic. It's made in the USA. It only has 4 materials and it's 100% non-toxic. I have an amazing promo code in the description box that gets you $400 off your mattress of choice and 2 free pillows. But here's the kicker. It comes to your house. It's very, very easy to set up. A couple months after getting the first one, we got a second one for the 3rd bedroom. And also, it's a 100-night sleep trial, meaning if you don't love it after 100 nights, the way I do, you can return it. They'll pick it up and they'll give you your money back. So try it out. If you're in the market for a mattress, click my link down below, birchliving.com/FlavCity, $400 off your mattress of choice with 2 free pillows and a 100-night sleep trial. You're gonna love it, I'm telling you. Every time I walk back here, it's like a jet engine is blasting here, but we have to go into the engine room because this is such great stuff. Every Costco has it. It's organic ground turkey meat. It's 3 1-pound packs for $5.63. You can get organic ground turkey other places, but sometimes they use natural flavors, which really, really bugs me. This one here just uses rosemary extract, which is a natural preservative, so that's totally fine. And the reason why, in my opinion, you want to get that over this ground turkey, even though this is literally less than 50% or more than 50% cheaper, this is GMO factory farm turkey. This is non-organic, or this is organic, non-GMO feed turkey, so you're going to want to get this one. It's really a great price. And if you want to make it beef, just go over there, get the organic beef packet, or here in Florida we have the grass-fed beef packet. But I'm telling you, for kind of an alternative to mix it up, this makes a mean ground turkey bolognese, so I'm grabbing the 3-pack. Just in case you have not heard me talking about it, the Bobby Approved app is out. You can download it now, and the cool thing is you can scan any barcode at any grocery store here in USA or Canada. So if you're at Costco or anywhere and you're like, oh, I wonder if this keto granola is Bobby Approved, well, you break out the Bobby Approved app, you scan the barcode, and then it tells you yes or no. And then if you swipe up, if it's bad, it'll yes or no. And then if it's bad, you can swipe up, it'll highlight the bad ingredients and tell you what they are, and then give you more recommendations. So basically it's like having me shopping with you, so you can pick out the best stuff at the grocery store. So go to either the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store, search Bobby Approved, or I'll put the links down below. Download the app. If you do like it or you've been enjoying it, please leave a review on the App Store. Those are very important, but it's designed to help you pick out the best stuff at the grocery store, and I really think you're gonna like it. If you follow me on the Flav City Instagram, you know pretty much for lunch every day during the week, I make Rose and Desi a turkey sandwich or wrap with the organic turkey and the prosciutto de Parma. And I ask Rose, do you want prosciutto? And she always says, no, 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 no. But for Daddy, yes, 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 yes. It's really funny. If you don't follow me on Flav City Instagram, we do a lot of fun stories over there of what we're making every single day at home. Go over there and follow. It's a lot of fun. But how about this? Yes, I use this for my sandwich at home, but one of my favorite things to do is to put this into a hot pan and crisp it up and make crispy prosciutto de Parma, and we could crumble that all over the turkey bolognese. This is a ridiculous deal because this is not domestic prosciutto. This is prosciutto de Parma, Parma, Italy. That price is fantastic for real deal prosciutto de Parma. And remember, in Parma, Italy, they do not allow GMOs. So the pigs have a non-GMO feed. This is as good as they get, in my opinion. That price is as good as they get. It's always in my fridge, and wait till you see how tasty it is when I crisp it up on top of that pasta. We need a red sauce or a marinara sauce for our bolognese. I've talked about this one many times, including in a recent video. In my opinion, just go for Rayo's. It's a great price. The flavor is better, even better than Victoria, which is being discontinued supposedly. I will just say, this is a new player that I haven't seen before. What is this? Paisana, organic tomato basil. And look at the ingredients. Where are they here? Here, look at these ingredients. They're quite Bobby approved. Whole organic tomatoes that are from Italy, extra virgin olive oil, very, very simple ingredients, and the price is right for Paisana. So if you want to try that, go for it. I just have a ton of Rayo's at home and I love it. So I'm sticking with my OG Rayo's for the win. What the heck is this thing? It's a $6,000 massage chair? Yikes, I don't know. First of all, it's going to take up the size of my living room here. Second of all, I'm not spending $6,000 on a massage chair. Anyway, we are done. We are done with shopping. Let's go home. Let's make that turkey bolognese with crispy prosciutto. Let's start the meat sauce by adding some olive oil to a large pan, then adding some red onions, some carrots, I forgot to buy celery, but in my fridge I have mushrooms and red peppers, and that works just fine. Go ahead and season that with a big pinch of salt, a few cracks of pepper, and cook that for about 15 minutes. Here's the most important part of the recipe, cooking the excess moisture out of the shirataki noodles. So get them in a dry pan over medium-high heat for about 6 or 7 minutes. See all that water? We got to evaporate it. The veggies look really good. We've cooked them down and brought out some natural sweetness there. Add 1 pound of that organic ground turkey meat. You'll notice it's kind of sticky. That's because it's ground turkey thigh, not turkey white meat, and you want that extra fat for the recipe. Go ahead and season with a good pinch of salt, a few cracks of black pepper, and then break it up really well, and we'll cook it for about 5 or 6 minutes. Once the turkey's cooked through, add about 16 ounces of marinara sauce, about half a cup of water, and we'll cook that for about 20 minutes, making sure to break it up until it thickens into a ragu. Okay, the noodles are done. See how the bottom of the pan is dry? That's what you want. All the moisture is gone now. They're kind of long and tangly, so I like to roughly chop them. That way they don't tangle together. Let's get that crispy prosciutto going. Get a non-stick pan with some olive oil over medium heat. And just cook the prosciutto for about 5 or 6 minutes total. And that's what you want. It does smoke, but look how crispy that is. All right, the ragu bolognese is done. It's nice and thick, and that really only took 20 minutes. So go ahead and add the chopped shirataki noodles to the pan. Cook it together for about 3 minutes on low. Let's plate this dish by adding a nice serving of that pasta bolognese to a bowl. Drizzle over some really good extra virgin olive oil. Grate over a generous amount of Parmigiano Reggiano. Crumble that crispy prosciutto all over the top. And why not chop a little fresh parsley? And there it is, my friends. Dinner is ready. That looks really good. Who's ready for pasta? Rosie? Whoa, look at that, Rose. Mmm. Not good? No. Can you say crispy prosciutto? Seasoning is on point, but because, Rose, we cooked the moisture out of the noodle, the sauce is adhering to the noodle. More chopping. Yeah, with the exactly. Now, is it the same as a pasta? Not quite, but the shirataki noodle is a close second, and it's gluten-free, keto, diabetic friendly. It's fantastic. So Rose is out of here on a Friday night. She's back. Recipe in the description box down below. Make sure to try it out. Tag us on Flav City on Instagram, or if you want to post it to the Flav City Facebook group, they can do that, right? Yeah, over 3 million followers now because of her, not because of me. But that is it. Hope you make the recipe. Have a great day, and hashtag keep on cooking. Mad love and peace. Say bye, Rosa.
Bye.
Bye. And she's off.